Welcome to day 4 of the Rusty Bartender's Christmas Advent Calendar. This is Santa's Punch Out. Santa's Punch Out. Santa's Punch Out is created by my good friend Mike from Cocktails with Mike from Instagram. If you haven't checked his Instagram out, you need to get over there fast because you guys are missing out. He has one of the best cocktail Instagrams out there. Underrated and definitely not enough followers. Get on there, get over there, check out his recipes. Every one is an absolute banger. In fact, every time I'm down in Melbourne, we meet up and we hit a few cocktail bars. Maybe after Christmas, a little cocktail tour is in order. Anyway, Mike, over to you.
Hey guys, it's Cocktails with Mike, and this is my Christmas cocktail for Ben the Rusty Bartender's Christmas Advent Calendar. We're gonna call this one Santa's Punch Out. It is really good, and I'm gonna show you how to make it.
Squeeze your lemon.
Now we're gonna shake this cocktail.
Well, here it is, folks. Santa's Punch Out. Let's give it a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. Before I taste this, I didn't even know that Sangria actually came in a bottle. Obviously, I've made my own before, but that's pretty handy. And I got it in the local Dan Murphy's just down the road, so there you go. Anyway, let's give it a taste. Damn, it's got some kick to it. That is tasty as though. You've got the lemon, gives it a bit of lemony tang about it. Obviously the sangria, you got the red wine, it's already got some tannins, so you're getting a bit of a tang. But a little bit of cinnamon syrup in there, making it crisp, bit of a Christmas vibe. Got whiskey, just punching through. Damn, Santa's Punch Out, Mikey, come on. Give it a go. Makes me want to say, ho ho ho. No, I've got a machine gun.